everyone, this is Shan. So in today's video we are going to see about COVID-19, that is not exactly about coronavirus, but what is a new normal essential we want to follow after this COVID-19 situation, and how we can able to prevent ourselves from this deadly disease. So what is coronavirus? Basically COVID-19, that is uh, mild to severe respiratory illness. Why it is called mild to severe respiratory illness? Because many people are asymptomatic. They have very mild sort of this virus, and just 14 days of self isolation is more than enough to recover from this deadly disease. And some people have severe form of respiratory illness. Why? Because they are prone to a lot of viral loads, um, accumulation of lot of viral loads inside our body. uh, Thereby it leads to severe respiratory illness, that is a deadly kind of coronavirus. So many people lost their lives because of the severe form of illness. So like why it is mainly transmitted through certain causative materials like respiratory droplets. So that's why government is forcing us, literally forcing us to wear face mask. So for example, if you are going outside and some people nearby you is sneezing or coughing, that their respiratory droplet won't enter into our body. That's why if we wear mask, it will act as a protective shield for us. So just within a second we are escaping from that virus to enter into our body. So when our viral load is reduced, see, if we are going for work, obviously we want to go outside for work, or for purchasing this provision items and grocery items. So like accidentally we might see the asymptomatic patients of coronavirus. So if we wear face mask, that will protect as a literally a protective shield. It will protect as a protective shield. So thereby we are greatly escaped from this a deadly virus enter into our body. So next, um, apart from this face mask wearing, we have to wear gloves as well, because when the corona affected people touching something like any steel particle or any glassware, and after few minutes or few seconds you are going back and touching the same place, thereby there is a high chance of the infection to get into the virus to get into our body. So to avoid this kind of situation, if you are wearing gloves, so even though if you touch the place which the previous person, that is for example corona virus patient previously touched and went, and you are going back and touching the same, there is uh, a high chance for this virus not to enter into our body. Okay, so that is why this is very very important. Apart from this, social distancing is must, and everyone should have to follow that. Social distancing will literally break the chain of this coronavirus. So as far as now, we have to wear face mask and hand glove. Social distancing is very very important. These three are the major things we want to follow right now. So this is the new normal. Primary basic criteria for new normal. Apart from this, just think about the um, family who lost their father, mother, or brother, or sister, or someone in this coronavirus. Because of this coronavirus, many family lost their relatives, family members, very kith and kin people. So just think about their family. What is their situation right now? How they are going to lead their life without the main important person of their family? how they are going to lead their life. Just think about their situation. Just think 1 second before wearing face mask, gloves, before maintaining social distance. If you are not there in your family, who is going to take care of your family? What is the situation? What will be the situation of your family if you are not there in your family? Just think for a while and grab your face mask, hand glove, maintain social distance, carry your hand sanitizer along with you whenever you're going outside for anything. Just grab your hand sanitizer with you, and what else you want to carry. And the main thing is, everyone should have to have pulse oximeter in their house, because what is the main that is a very major this pulse oximeter is playing a very major role in current situation, because pulse oximeter is not made, it was not a testing kit or machine that will detect COVID-19. Don't have this mindset. Pulse oximeter will never detect COVID-19. Instead, it will act as an indicator. It will show whether your body have sufficient amount of oxygen level within that. So, this pulse oximeter, so what you have to do is, either in the morning or in the evening, but regularly you want to check your oxygen level in your body. Okay, it is very simple. There are Indian made pulse oximeter are available in the market. Just buy it and use it. You have to fix a slot either in the morning or in the evening. Entire family, everyone who are all there in your family have to check this. Okay, because uh, if you are having 95 percentage to 100 percentage of oxygen level, once testing in that pulse oximeter, if it shows within 95 percentage to 100 percentage, you are absolutely normal, no need to worry about anything, your oxygen level is absolutely perfect. But if it is below 95, you want to contact your doctor. You have to say what kind of problems you have, whether you have any other symptoms of COVID-19 situation, whether if you are not at all having symptoms also, you have to contact your doctor and you have to inform him that your oxygen level is below 95. So then he will analyze your situation and he will provide you with proper kind of solution. So this is very important. So just think about your family, just think about your health. You are very very important for your family, and your family needs you. Just think for a while and grab your face mask, your hand gloves, maintain social distancing, and take hand sanitizer along with you whenever you are going outside. And uh, you have to regularly monitor your oxygen level. So that pulse oximeter is very very important. So if you are not having pulse oximeter, just go to pharmacy, get the Indian made pulse oximeter. It is available in the market, so check it regularly. Thank you.